Today, I'm going to show you how to automatically move your items into groups using automations in Monday.com. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up your boards so items seamlessly shift to the right groups, keeping your workspace tidy and saving you a ton of manual effort. Let's dive in. First, we'll head to the Automations Center. So, open up the specific board you want to work on. You'll see the familiar Monday.com interface, and up in the top right corner, there's a button labeled Automate. Go ahead and click that. This is your gateway to all things automation, so it's worth getting comfortable with the layout. If you don't see it right away, just make sure you're in the board view, not the dashboard or workspace home. Once you're in the Automation Center, you'll notice a wide range of pre-built automation recipes. These make setting up automated workflows super simple, even if you're not a tech expert. For moving items between groups, you'll want a recipe that clearly connects a trigger to an action. Most commonly, the trigger is some change in a status, like when an item is marked done or approved. So a great recipe to start with is, when status changes to something, move item to group. It's not just efficient, it keeps your boards looking sharp and up to date without you having to chase after every item. When you choose this recipe, you'll see a set of colored fields that need to be configured. Take your time here. It's important to get these details right so your automation knows exactly what to do. First off, the status field. Click here and select which status column acts as your trigger. Maybe yours is called Approval Status or simply Status. Basically, the system is waiting for something in that column to change, so pick the one you and your team update most often. Next up is Something. This is the outcome in your status column that sets everything in motion. Maybe it's approved when you're dealing with invoices, or ready for review if you're tracking creative work. Choose the label that makes sense for your workflow. Remember, this is the cue Monday.com uses to relocate your item, so it needs to be exactly what your process requires. Finally, we get to Group. This is where your item will end up once the trigger fires. So if you want completed work to move out of general tasks, pick Done Projects or Archive. This keeps finished items out of your main view, a real lifesaver when you have dozens or hundreds of records. Once you're happy with your choices, all that's left is to click Add to Board and you're done. Your automation is now live and working in the background. If you want the automation to apply across multiple boards, there's sometimes an Add to Account option instead. To put it all into context, here's a quick scenario. Imagine a board where you're tracking tasks organized into To Do, In Progress, and Done. You could set up two automations, one that moves an item to In Progress when the status changes to Always working on it, and another that moves items to Done when their status updates to Done. This way, as your team updates the status, the items sort themselves, no more dragging them around by hand. It might take a minute to set up your first automation, but once you see it in action, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. And don't worry if you don't get it perfect on the first try. You can always go back and edit your automations. If you found this tutorial helpful, please go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more guides just like this. Got questions or want to see more examples? Drop a comment below. I check them regularly and would love to help out. Thanks for watching and happy automating.